Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you all will be fine and safe. Dear students, today we are going to learn Social Studies of Grade 5. Today we will learn our new unit number 5, Culture, on page number 65. So put out your pencils and read out with me. Let's start reading. Every society has its own unique culture due to which the people of that society are identified. Do you know what is culture? Culture is the way of life, language, dress, food, religious beliefs, customs, and traditions of the people in a society. In Pakistan, our population is distributed in villages and cities. We all speak different local languages, but we are one nation known as Pakistani. Dear students, first of all, we will see what is culture. Culture is a word for the way of life of groups of people. Different groups may have different cultures. A culture is passed on to the next generation by learning, and culture is seen in people's writing, religion, music, clothes, cooking, and in what they do. In Pakistan, our population is distributed in some rural areas and some urban areas, and the people of those areas speak different languages, but we are one nation known as Pakistani. Here we have some additional information. Nationality. What is nationality? Nationality is a legal relationship between an individual and a state. It is a legal relationship between an individual and the state. Nationalism means the spirit of devotion to the nation and country. Nationalism binds us all in a spirit of oneness. Despite having different customs, beliefs, festivals, and language, we can have our different identities as people living with different cultures, but we all stand together as one nation under one flag, national anthem, and national identity. This is the reason national anthem is played in educational institutions and at all formal events. Nationalism binds us all in a spirit of oneness as we have different languages, customs, beliefs, and traditions, but we all stand together as one nation because we all have the same identity as we are Pakistani. This is the reason that's why national anthem is played in educational institutions and at all formal events. Now move to next page. Our nationality is the most important part of our culture. With all our diversity, we share our joys and celebrate together, and in the same way our sorrows are same with one another. Our most common factor is our religion, Islam. It creates harmony among us and promotes brotherhood, unity, and love for one another. Pakistan is a multicultural country, and as we have different varieties of cultures in our country, so people can share their joys, and they can also celebrate their happiness and joys with other people. In the same way, they can share their sorrows as well. And the second factor is our religion, Islam, which gives us the message of brotherhood, unity, and love for one another, and it creates harmony among us. Okay, now here we have advantages of multicultural society. Number one, cities are hubs of multicultural societies. People live there together. Number two, they share their emotions, language, dress, and food, which creates harmony among them. Number three, they learn to develop tolerance and tend to respect each other. Cities are hubs of multicultural societies because people belong from different areas, from different provinces, and they live together in cities. So, cities are the hubs of multicultural societies. Other than that, they can share their emotions, their languages, and the dress, even the food they like, and which creates harmony in the society. And after that, they learn to develop tolerance and tend to respect each other, and this creates harmony in the society and peace in the society. Culture of Pakistan. Pakistani society is multicultural. It comprises various diverse cultures and ethnic communities such as Punjabi, Sindhi, Balochi, Pakhtuns, Siraiki, and Brushu. Culture consists of language, ideas, crafts, festival, clothes, important events, food, etc. Although the culture in each province of Pakistan is different, but some things are common among the people, like Urdu is the national language. Similarly, Shalwar Kameez is our national dress. Let's have a look at various features of cultural diversity of Pakistan. Dear students, as we all know that there are 4 provinces in our country and every province has its own traditions, customs, on dress, food, etc. And every province has its own unique culture. But some things are similar, like Urdu is the national language, and similarly, Shalwar Kameez is our national dress. So let's look out some various features of culture diversity of Pakistan. Crafts. Pakistan is the treasure house of beautiful handicrafts such as pottery, embroidered garments, and carpets, etc. As you can see here, the beautiful handicrafts of Pakistan. Here we have some handmade embroidery shirts, decoration piece, handicraft of a pot, pottery, and handmade shoes, which we call khusa. Here we have some additional information. Embroidery of Multan, Bahawalpur and Balochistan is world famous. These are the famous cities for embroidery. Language. Language is an important part of culture. People use language to convey their feelings, emotions and religious bonds. The most common languages spoken in Pakistan are Punjabi, Pashto, Sindhi, Balochi, Brahvi, Hindko, Siraiki, Gujarati, Shina and Brushashki. Many Pakistanis can speak 2 or 3 languages. Information. Language is the identity of a nation. Urdu is the national language of Pakistan. Dear students, through language we can communicate with other people and we can convey our feelings and emotions with others. Every country has its own national language. Urdu is the national language of Pakistan. Many other languages are spoken in our country like Punjabi, Pashto, Sindhi, Balochi, Gujarati, Saraiki, etc. Now move to festivals. Different festivals are celebrated throughout Pakistan. Some festivals are connected with religious events like Eid al-Fitr, Eid al-Azha, Eid Miladul Nabi, Shab-e Qadr and Shab-e Miraj. Non-Muslims celebrate Christmas, Dasehra, Diwali and Holi. Some festivals like Spring Festival, Horse and Cattle Show and Shandur Polo, Sibi Fair are also very popular. First of all, we should know about festival. A festival is a gathering of people to celebrate something. It can also refer to a particular day or groups of days when people in a country have a holiday so that they can celebrate something. Festivals may be religious festivals like Muslims have Eid al-Azha, Eid al-Fitr, etc. and non-Muslims have Christmas, Dasehra, Diwali and Holi. And other than these festivals, some other festivals are also mentioned here like Horse and Cattle Show and Shandur Polo, Sibi Fair are also very popular festivals. Dress. Shalwar Kameez is the national dress of Pakistan. It is worn by men and women in all provinces. As we all know that Shalwar Kameez is our national dress and it is worn by men and women of all provinces. Here you can see picture of children and they wearing their cultural dresses. Now we have some additional information. In Punjab, lacha and paranda are mostly used by women. In Sindh, men use ajrak, turban and Sindhi topi. In Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, women wear embroidered kameez with heavy dupatta, and in Balochistan, women wear kameez with beautiful needlework. These are the special dresses of all these provinces. In Punjab, women wear lacha and paranda and they mostly use lacha and paranda. In Sindh, men use ajrak, turban and Sindhi topi, and in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa women wear embroidered kameez with heavy dupatta, and in Balochistan women wear kameez with beautiful needlework. Now move to folk songs. Folk music of a country is a source to observe traditions, feelings, and emotions of its people. The folk songs of Pakistan represent the real picture of culture. They include the traditional forms of Balochi, Pashto, Punjabi, Sindhi, and other regional languages. Folk songs. The traditional music of the people in a country or region is called folk music or folk song. It is also a type of popular music that is based on traditional music and that does not use electric instruments. And the folk music of a country is a source to observe their traditions, their feelings, and emotions, and folk songs represent the real culture of the country. Information. In Pakistan, different provinces have different traditions of dance. For example, in Punjab, Bhangra, Luddi, and Jhumar; Balochistan, Leva and Chap; Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Atan, Kathak dance, Chitrali dance; Sindh, Dhamal and Jhumro. These are the uh, traditional dances of four provinces. Now move to foods. In Pakistan, we have regional dishes and food. These are popular worldwide due to their taste, aroma, and color. Balochi Saji, Peshawari Kebab, Sindhi Biryani, and Multani Halwa are famous throughout the worldwide. Pakistani food is famous due to its taste, aroma, and color. And here we have some famous dishes like Balochi Saji, Peshawari Kebab, Sindhi Biryani, and Multani Halwa that are famous throughout the worldwide. People connect with one another in various ways. They keep in touch with each other and unite the affairs of the country through different means of communication. Communication is the transfer of information from a sender to a receiver. It means exchange of ideas, messages, information between two or more persons. There are many ways to communicate. For example, mass media and social media. A medium of communication that is designed to reach the masses is called mass media. Communication means sharing of information, ideas with others. We can communicate with other people in many ways. For example, through mass media and through social media. Now, what is mass media? Mass media simply means technology that is intended to reach out to the target audience, and it refers to means of communication to reach the target audience. And here radio, television, newspaper, internet, these all are included in mass media. Here we have information media. Media is the plural of word medium. It refers to various means of communication to give, send, receive information. Social media consists of websites and other online means of communication that are used by large numbers of people to share information, ideas, personal messages, and videos. Some of the examples of social media are WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Snapchat, etc. Social media. Social media refers to websites and applications that are designed to allow people to share content quickly, efficiently, and in real time. And nowadays, we have some applications like WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Snapchat, etc. These all are included as social media. Now move to the advantages and disadvantages of various means of information. Nowadays, social media is very popular and widely used. It has advantages such as information is available 24 hours online. Any breaking news now becomes global. The actions of the government can be debated on television. We can get any information from the internet and the availability of that information is 24 hours daily. and any breaking news becomes global, and we are well aware of the actions of the government. These are the advantages of the various means of information. Some of the disadvantages of social media are: children can make their own accounts and share their personal information with strangers who may be dangerous. It can spread rumors, and incorrect information can hurt feelings. Yes, as we all know that nowadays children can make their accounts and they share their personal information to the strangers, and it will create trouble for them. And the second one is that it can spread rumors and incorrect information, so it can hurt the feelings. Now move to book exercise on page number 73. Here we have some short question answers and also some long question answers. So first of all we will see short question answers. Question number 1: define culture. Culture is the way of life, language, dress, food, religious beliefs, customs and traditions of the people in a society. Or culture is the characteristics of particular group of people living in a place or society. Number 2, what is nationalism? Nationalism means the spirit of devotion to the nation and country. Nationalism binds us all in a spirit of oneness. Despite having different customs, beliefs, festival and language, it is a legal relationship between an individual and a state. Number 3, define communication. Communication is the transfer of information from a sender to a receiver. It means exchange of ideas, messages and information between two or more persons. For example, mass media and social media. Number 4, what is folk music? The music by which traditions, feelings and emotions of people of a society is observed is called folk music. Folk music of a country represents its culture truly. Number 5, write the names of the 3 popular Pakistani foods. Pakistani food is popular worldwide due to its taste, aroma and color. 3 popular Pakistani foods are Balochi Saji, Peshawari Kebab and Sindhi Biryani. Number 6, write 3 advantages of a multicultural society. Number 1, cities are hubs of multicultural societies. People live there together. Number 2, they share their emotions, language, dress and food, creating harmony among them. Number 3, they learn to develop tolerance and tend to respect each other. Long question answers. Number 1, compare mass media with social media. Mass media, a medium of communication that is designed to reach the masses, is called mass media. For example, radio, television, newspaper and internet, etc. Social media. Social media consists of websites and other online means of communication that are used by a large number of people to share information, ideas, personal messages and videos. For example, WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Snapchat, etc. Number 2, write a note on the festival of Pakistan. Different festivals are celebrated throughout Pakistan. Some festivals are connected with religious events like Eid al-Fitr, Eid al-Azha, Eid Miladul Nabi, Shab-e-Qadr and Shab-e-Miraj. Non-Muslims celebrated Christmas, Dussehra, Diwali and Holi. Some festivals like Spring Festival, Horse and Cattle Show and Shandur Polo, Sibbi Fair are also very popular. Number 3, write a note on the language of Pakistan. Language is an important part of culture. People use language to convey their feeling, emotions and religious bonds. The most common language spoken in Pakistan are Punjabi, Pashto, Sindhi, Balochi, Brahvi, Hindko, Siraiki, Gujarati, Shina and Broshashki. Many Pakistanis can speak 2 or 3 languages. Now move to bookwork on page number 73. Write yes or no. Number 1, nationalism means the spirit of devotion to the nation. It's the right answer, so we will write yes. Number 2. Communication means exchange of ideas, messages and information between two or more persons. Yes, it's the right answer, so we will write yes. Number 3. The internet has not changed the forms of communications. It's a wrong answer, so we'll write no because internet has changed the forms of communication. Number 4. The people of Punjab are not fond of good diet. It's a wrong answer, so we'll write no because the people of Punjab are fond of good diet. Number 5. The Leva is a folk dance of Pakhtuns. It's a wrong answer, so we'll write no because Leva is a folk dance of Balochistan. Number 6. Turban is used in Sindh. It's the right answer, so we will write yes because turban is used in Sindh province. Next, tick the correct option. Number 1. Nationalism means option A. The spirit of achieving some goal. B. The spirit of making something. C. The spirit of devotion to the nation. And D. Using someone negatively. Option C is correct. Nationalism means the spirit of devotion to the nation. Number 2. Communication means option A. Exchange of things between two or more persons. B. Exchange of information between two or more persons. C. Order someone to buy something. And D. Calling someone. B is a right answer. Communication means exchange of information between two or more persons. 3. Which one is a tool of print media? Option A. Twitter. Option B. Facebook. Option C. Newspaper. And option D. YouTube. The right option is option C. Newspaper. Number 4. Which one is a tool of social media? Option A. Television. Option B. Wikipedia. Option C. WhatsApp. And option D. Newspaper. Option C is right answer. Number 5. Which one is our national language? Option A. Punjabi. Option B. Urdu. Option C. Sindhi. And option D. English. Option B is correct. Urdu is our national language. Number 6. Which one is not related to Sindh? Option A. Ajrak. Option B. Sindhi Topi. Option C. Lacha. And option D. Turban. The option C is right. Lacha is not related to Sindh. That's all, dear students. Hope you have enjoyed today's lesson. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.